Welcome to English Mastery Buddy. Today, you will learn 13 useful department words and phrases in English. For every word or phrase, you will hear a simple meaning, one example sentence, a short office scene, and repeat after me practice. Listen carefully. Repeat out loud. Let's begin. Word 1. Accounts/finance. Meaning, the department that manages money and payments. Example sentence. Accounts will check the invoice today. Office scene. Sarah sends the budget file to accounts. Repeat after me. Accounts/finance. Again, accounts/finance. Now repeat the example. Accounts will check the invoice today. One useful office question is, which department handles this? Repeat the question. Which department handles this? Good. The word or phrase is accounts/finance. Word 2. Production. Meaning, the department that makes products. Example sentence. Production is busy this week. Office scene. The production team prepares the next order. Repeat after me. Production. Again, production. Now repeat the example. Production is busy this week. One useful office question is, which department handles this? Repeat the question. Which department handles this? Good. The word or phrase is production. Word 3. Legal. Meaning, the department that checks laws and contracts. Example sentence. Legal will review the contract. Office scene. The legal team reads the agreement before signing. Repeat after me. Legal. Again, legal. Now repeat the example. Legal will review the contract. One useful office question is, which department handles this? Repeat the question. Which department handles this? Good. The word or phrase is legal. Word 4. Marketing. Meaning, the department that promotes products or services. Example sentence. Marketing is planning a new campaign. Office scene. The marketing team shares ideas for the launch. Repeat after me. Marketing. Again, marketing. Now repeat the example. Marketing is planning a new campaign. One useful office question is, which department handles this? Repeat the question. Which department handles this? Good. The word or phrase is marketing. Quick review. Business departments. Listen and repeat. Accounts/finance. Production. Legal. Marketing. Now picture these teams inside one company. Accounts/finance. Production. Legal. Marketing. One more time. Accounts/finance. Production. Legal. Marketing. Word 5. Information Technology 1T. Meaning, the department that helps with computers and systems. Example sentence. IT fixed my laptop this morning. Office scene. Alex calls IT when the network stops working. Repeat after me. Information Technology 1T. Again, Information Technology 1T. Now repeat the example. IT fixed my laptop this morning. One useful office question is, which department handles this? Repeat the question. Which department handles this? Good. The word or phrase is Information Technology 1T. Word 6. Facilities/office services. Meaning, the department that manages the office space and supplies. Example sentence. Facilities will fix the meeting room light. Office scene. Facilities checks the printer area and the supplies. Repeat after me. Facilities/office services. Again, facilities/office services. Now repeat the example. Facilities will fix the meeting room light. One useful office question is, which department handles this? Repeat the question. Which department handles this? Good. The word or phrase is facilities/office services. Word 7. Sales. Meaning, the department that finds customers and sells products. Example sentence. Sales called 3 new clients today. Office scene. The sales team talks to a customer about pricing. Repeat after me. Sales. Again, sales. Now repeat the example. Sales called 3 new clients today. One useful office question is, which department handles this? Repeat the question. Which department handles this? Good. The word or phrase is sales. Word 8. Administration. Meaning, the department that organizes office tasks and records. Example sentence. Administration keeps the office files updated. Office scene. Mia from administration books the training room. Repeat after me. Administration. Again, administration. Now repeat the example. Administration keeps the office files updated. One useful office question is, which department handles this? Repeat the question, which department handles this? Good. The word or phrase is administration. Quick review. Office support teams. Listen and repeat. Information technology 1T. Facilities/office services. Sales. Administration. Now picture these teams inside one company. Information technology 1T. Facilities/office services. Sales. Administration. One more time. Information technology 1T. Facilities/office services. Sales. Administration. Word 9. Public relations PR. Meaning, the department that manages the company's public image. Example sentence. PR wrote a short press message. Office scene. The PR team prepares a public statement. Repeat after me. Public relations PR. Again, public relations PR. Now repeat the example. PR wrote a short press message. One useful office question is, which department handles this? Repeat the question, which department handles this? Good. The word or phrase is public relations PR. Word 10. Purchasing. Meaning, the department that buys things for the company. Example sentence. Purchasing ordered new office chairs. Office scene. Purchasing compares prices before they buy. Repeat after me. Purchasing. Again, purchasing. Now repeat the example. Purchasing ordered new office chairs. One useful office question is, which department handles this? Repeat the question, which department handles this? Good. The word or phrase is purchasing. Word 11. Human resources HR. Meaning, the department that helps employees and hiring. Example sentence. HR will schedule the interview. Office scene. HR welcomes a new employee on Monday. Repeat after me. Human resources HR. Again, human resources HR. Now repeat the example. HR will schedule the interview. One useful office question is, which department handles this? Repeat the question, which department handles this? Good. The word or phrase is human resources HR. Word 12. Research and development, R&D. Meaning, the department that creates and tests new ideas. Example sentence. R&D is testing a new product. Office scene. The R&D team studies the first prototype. Repeat after me. Research and development, R&D. Again, research and development, R&D. Now repeat the example. R&D is testing a new product. One useful office question is, which department handles this? Repeat the question, which department handles this? Good. The word or phrase is research and development, R&D. Quick review. People and product teams. Listen and repeat. Public relations PR, purchasing. Human resources HR, research and development, R&D. Now picture these teams inside one company. Public relations PR, purchasing. Human resources HR, research and development, R&D. One more time. Public relations PR, purchasing. Human resources HR, research and development, R&D. Word 13. I love these ideas for the new project. Meaning, a friendly phrase for reacting to ideas at work. Example sentence. I love these ideas for the new project. Office scene. Sarah looks at the plan and gives positive feedback. Repeat after me. I love these ideas for the new project. Again, I love these ideas for the new project. Now repeat the example. I love these ideas for the new project. One useful office question is, which department handles this? Repeat the question, which department handles this? Good. The word or phrase is I love these ideas for the new project. Quick review. Useful project phrase. Listen and repeat. I love these ideas for the new project. Now picture these teams inside one company. I love these ideas for the new project. One more time. I love these ideas for the new project. Now let's do a full review. Repeat after me. Accounts/finance. Production. Legal. Marketing. Information technology 1T. Facilities/office services. Sales. Administration. Public relations PR. Purchasing. Human resources HR. Research and development R&D. I love these ideas for the new project. Excellent. These words help you talk about company teams, office roles, and who handles each task. Now let's do a short departments listening test. Listen to each office scene. Say the keyword or phrase after me. The invoice needs checking. Send it to accounts or finance. The factory team makes the product. That is production. The contract needs review. Send it to legal. The campaign needs new ideas. Ask marketing. The computer is not working. Call information technology or IT. The meeting room light is broken. Ask facilities or office services. A new customer wants a price. Talk to sales. The training room needs booking. Ask administration. A public message needs writing. Ask public relations or PR. The company needs new chairs. Ask purchasing. Great. Repeat the departments, accounts or finance. Production, legal, marketing, IT facilities, sales, administration, PR, purchasing. Now shadow these office sentences. Speak with me. Accounts will check the invoice today. Production is busy this week. Legal will review the contract. Marketing is planning a new campaign. IT fixed my laptop this morning. Facilities will fix the meeting room light. Sales called 3 new clients today. Administration keeps the office files updated. One more time. Accounts will check the invoice. Legal will review the contract. Sales called 3 new clients. Now practice the people and project teams. Public relations writes the public message. Purchasing orders new office chairs. Human resources schedules the interview. Research and development tests a new product. I love these ideas for the new project. Say the full phrase with me. I love these ideas for the new project. Good. This phrase helps you react positively at work. Great job. Today, you learned 13 department words and phrases in English. After this video, choose 5 words and make 5 simple office sentences. If this lesson helped you, please like the video, subscribe to English Mastery Buddy, and write 1 department word in the comments.